This is All in Danger. I am your technical trader. On this channel, we talk about the stock market and the cryptocurrency market, and we do a technical analysis to determine where we think these markets will go in the future. Today, I'm going to talk about XRP. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. Now, we have had a bit of a pullback in the XRP chart, like all other cryptocurrencies. But I'm going to make an attempt at showing you a pattern that indicates that we are done selling. And now we're looking for the bigger moves to the upside. This right here is what I'm talking about. I was staring at this chart and I realized that this looked oddly familiar because I've been staring at the XRP chart for such a long time. This felt like it's happened before, right? Not just once, but multiple times. Let me show you. Here we go. Back in the year of 2020, we had a massive hard sell-off where we found a bottom and we slowly regained some higher highs, and we put in something that looks like a head and shoulders pattern at the time. Like this. You can also kind of tell how we had this move up and then a slow consolidation down before that trend was broken and we just blasted to the upside. Let me put them side by side so you can see what I'm talking about. Let me just grab this fractal. You cannot tell me these don't look similar, right? Initial sell-off, roll up, something that looks like a head and shoulders pattern, slight breakdown if it's a crooked one, and then we see these lower lows that we had back here, which is going to be about these ones, and now we're seeing those again, which means that if this were to follow, we would see this remaining, right? So we're about here on the orange, about here on this one, so we would see something along the lines of this. Slightly more sell-offs, consolidation, spike back up, and then just continuation of this move. This right here is giving me a lot of hope. Then again, because I look at the stock market as well, I was curious to see if these patterns keep repeating themselves in the stock market, and I found a few of them. This right here is Tilray, just before it went on this massive move to the upside, right? So we have this initial hard sell-off and then a slowly grind up, which something that looks like a head and shoulders. We have a shoulder and we have a head and we have a shoulder at a recent bottom, and we have a roll over back to these supports and then just a blast off that takes this stock up to the moon and back. So in general, this is a sign that we see in the stock market that keep repeating itself, and it is a signal to show us that there will be a lot of upside in the future. Next thing I want to look at is the XRP BTC chart, and the last time I talked about it, I talked about how we had a backtest of this level. Now we're looking to consolidate before we start making higher highs and break out to the upside. I do expect this chart to start moving really fast as soon as it starts breaking these highs. That was all for today. Again, please like and subscribe if you want more of this type of content.